Airports are not just about planes. They're about traps, scams, and secrets designed to mess with your mind and your money. Today on the Don't channel, we're exposing 12 dirty little secrets airports and airlines hope you stay too jet-lagged to notice. From food fraud to luggage lies, this is your boarding pass to truth. So fasten your seatbelts, subscribe, and remember, we don't fly blind, we fly smart. Airport comfort is a psychological trap. Think that cozy gate area is a perk? Think again. Airports use low ceilings, warm lighting, plush carpets, and soft music to hack your brain. This environment lowers stress, making you feel safe. Just safe enough to mindlessly shop. They're not comforting you, they're conditioning you. Studies prove calm travelers drop 7 in 10% more in those convenient duty-free stores. Don't relax too much, you're the product. The golden walk scam. Ever noticed how you can't walk straight to your gate? That's by design. Airports force you through winding paths packed with retail stores, aka the golden walk. It's like a mall disguised as a travel hub. The longer you walk, the more chances they have to snag your money. Even gate placement is strategic. They want you to feel rushed, so you make impulse buys. Don't be the zombie shopper. Keep your eyes on the gate, not the Gucci. Luggage lies. Once your bag disappears behind the check-in desk, you're gambling. Airport staff don't manually track your luggage, it's left to automated barcode scanners and conveyor systems. One wrong scan and your bag could be chilling in Singapore while you're freezing in Switzerland. Lost bags equals major headache. Take a photo of your bag, slap on an AirTag, and always remove old stickers. Your suitcase deserves a better travel record than you. The $40,000 olive trick. Airplane food is a flavorless mystery for a reason. Not only is your taste dulled by 30% at 35,000 feet, but airlines cut costs in sneaky ways. One airline saved $40,000/year by removing just one olive per salad. Multiply that by millions of meals, and you've got a corporate buffet of profit over quality. Oh, and meals? Cook 6 to 10 hours before takeoff, sometimes even longer. Don't expect fine dining. Expect financial engineering on a tray. TSA swabs aren't for germs. Ever had your hands swabbed at security? It's not for your hygiene. They're checking for explosive residue, not if you washed your hands. TSA scanners smell chemical particles, and if you match their database, you're flagged. Even harmless stuff like fireworks residue can get you pulled aside. Don't act clueless. Know what they're sniffing for. Facial recognition is watching. That check-in kiosk scanning your face? It's more than just ID verification. Airports now use AI-powered facial recognition to monitor emotions and behavior. Look anxious, distracted, or suspicious, you might be profiled in real time. This isn't conspiracy, it's happening in major airports globally. Don't just smile for the camera, know that it's analyzing you. The liquid loophole they don't mention. 100 ml limit? Yes. But frozen liquids can slip through. Baby formula, breast milk, juice, and meds are allowed beyond the rule if frozen and declared. This isn't publicized, but it's legal. Don't dump your essentials. Declare them and chill, literally. VIP lounge without the VIP. Think airport lounges are only for business class snobs? Think again. Some sell 24-hour access for less than a cheap hotel room. Free Wi-Fi, snacks, showers, peace. Perfect if you're stuck on a layover. Many credit cards offer access, even if you're flying economy. Don't sit by the gate like a peasant. Check your card perks and lounge like a boss. USB charging equals digital pickpocketing. Free charging station? That could cost you everything. Hackers use public USB ports to install malware or steal data. It's called juice jacking. One plug, and boom, your phone's infected. Use a USB data blocker or charge through a wall outlet only. Don't get hacked while charging TikTok. Flight prices depend on this one day. Want the best flight deal? Book on a Tuesday afternoon. Airlines release prices late Monday. Competitors match them by Tuesday lunch. The sweet spot? 3 weeks to 3 months before your trip. Also, fly mid-week for lower fares. Weekends equals wallet wipeout. Don't play booking roulette, play the algorithm. Jet lag can be hacked. Jet lag isn't just annoying, it's a full-body sabotage. Start adjusting your sleep schedule 3 days before takeoff. Flying east? Sleep earlier. Flying west? Sleep later. Hydrate like crazy. Skip alcohol and caffeine, they make it worse. Land, reset your watch, and get natural sunlight immediately. Don't nap yourself into another time zone. Fight back. Boarding pass codes equals secret language. Those codes on your boarding pass aren't random gibberish. They reveal airline, service level, seat status, and sometimes gate zone priority. Letters like Y, J, F equals economy, business, first. Frequent flyer? You might see priority zones coded in. Learn the system and you'll board smarter, fly faster, and stress less. Don't toss your pass without decoding it. It's your travel cheat sheet. Know before you go. Airports want you calm, clueless, and cash-ready. Now you're none of the above. From luggage to lounges, security to seat hacks, you've just leveled up your travel game. Comment your worst airport horror story below and subscribe to the Don'ts channel, because next week we're exposing hotel secrets that'll make you bring your own bedsheet. Until then, travel smart, not sorry.